It's really beautiful here, actually. This is like a coastal walk towards Goodrington. Me and Lee went a different way the other day, but Macy told us to come this way. There they are. Debating whether or not to jump off onto the grass.
I won't strike it.
We're going to be... No, I'm doing it. Taking a coastal walk along Goodrington with Plebby Macy.
Is it like a year or something? Yeah, so my wages go up.
Please subscribe, guys, so we can get to 5 subscribers, y'all. At 5 subscribers, we'll be...
Oh, look at it up here. You could play some really good like football or something here, couldn't you?
I told you, this is the place.
Or like rounders. Yeah.
How do you know what rounders is?
I'm maybe 40, I'm not ancient. I used to play rounders at school.
Right, what's rounders, Dad? What's rounders? What's the rules?
Thanks, Ollie.
What's the rules?
The rules?
What's rounders?
Where's this going to
You have
take us,
two
Macy?
teams.
You will have to see.
One's on the
now.
field, the other one's batting. You have to hit the ball. If the other team catches the ball, then you're out.
And there's cones around.
You have to you have to try and do a full
And if you couldn't, and if you haven't kicked it properly, like really good,
There we go.
they can only go to like one.
You have to try and run all the way around the thing. If you don't run all the way around the thing, you have to go to your closest
No, but
post.
If you don't run all the way and you run half, you get half a point. If you run like the whole way, you get 3 points. That's what I did on my race then. So it doesn't get all the way. So where are you going? Oh really?
It's a really good dog walk, by the way. Like if you've got dogs, this is a really good coastal path to take for a dog walk.
Why are you putting it at me when you say dog walk? Dog.
We're taking our dog out.
Edit that out.
So it was just constantly making a noise.
Just playing, Lee. Lee's a bit stressy today. He's been stressy for 3 days. I think a walk might cheer him up. I don't know. Anyone out there got a stressy husband?
When you were young,
Should start a stressy husband.
I bet you'd not enjoy it on the...
Start a stressy
Show me
husband.
look, it's not even
support
look at
line.
your camera recording.
Here we go. I told you it was stressy. I tilted it so that I wasn't looking at the floor.
But look, you're still tilting it. Should I put it to horizon so that it's always straight, so when you do that...
Okay.
You still can't put it straight, can you? Still hanging it as an angle.
I was just seeing if it did it.
Do it.
No, you told me off as I was trying it. No, it's not doing it.
Let's turn it round. Oh, I think it might have been the wrong frames as well. Oh, well, I don't know. What sort of frames is it at the moment? 60.
I really like that coat, Ollie. Nice and light, keeps you dry. Mountain Warehouse is great, isn't it? Yeah, so we came out at the top there to walk.
Would have been good if we did a bit of fishing.
Hey? Well, it's your choice not to bring it.
I bought it.
Oh my God, stop moaning. Like I said, anyone out there who's got a miserable husband, please, let's start a miserable husband group support. Here we go, guys. This is Goodrington. It's actually my favourite beach down in Paignton. Love it here, it's so beautiful. If I lift the I'm just going to lift the pole a little bit so you can see over the hedge. Can you see that? So nice. There's actually a little story about a ghost down here as well. About a nun who used to look after all the wounded soldiers in the war, World War II, I believe. This is the promenade gardens, so we're just walking down. Walking through the gardens right now. And
Who's that?
My miserable husband. Hey?
Who was that?
That was Oliver's old teacher.
Oliver's teacher?
Oliver's teacher from last year.
Oh, right.
Look at that. And it's not raining today. Yesterday was absolutely disgusting. So there, up there is also the promenade garden. So there's all different directions you can come from. It's like a huge cliff, and there's loads of like outlets that you can come down. But I know I'm boring Lee by talking. I told him I could talk on the camera, and he didn't believe me. I could talk forever because I feel happy. We're at the bottom of the promenade. Okay, so there's a huge cliff up there, loads of different ways to get down here, and it's really pretty as well. There's loads of lights at night, all lit up. It's huge, actually. It's a huge cliff. And we're down on the promenade, which a lot of people do fishing down here. He was going to bring his fishing rod, but apparently I moaned, which I did. And we're at the sea.
Why don't you go for a swim on? Yeah, but now he's just filled his boots.
Jumping off of the rocks.
Come on, Ollie.
There is lots of rocks down there, but they are quite deep down, so you are okay to do it, but you have to be careful, maybe some shoes.
Ollie.
But a lot of people do.
Oliver. Oliver.
Don't you dare. Get the inside of your boot wet, that's it.
Yeah? I mean, I would say yeah, but the likeliness with you is you're going to slip and end up in the water.
That's about 6 times you told him. He still hasn't
Hold on to the
listened.
railing.
Ignoring me.
Gonna watch him go down.
You have to wait for your mum to get because I'm not saying yes.
Did you? Edit. Why? I didn't know that.
If he falls in, that's it.
Well, he's on his own then, isn't he? Watch him. He's holding on to a railing. Hold on. And that's what wellies are for, hey? This is Lee. Stop, please. Say hello to the camera, Lee.
Hello to the camera, Lee.
This is my miserable husband who's always in a bad mood. Say, aye, aye, Captain.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Oliver?
Yeah.
He's the one who doesn't listen to instructions and does what he wants. This is Macy, our puppy.
I sound like one.
I was going to have her on here. Got to be casting out. Having a little...
I told you to bring it. It's not my fault.
She didn't tell me to bring it all day. Stop saying that. You blatantly, completely 100% destroyed the whole for the walk.
Why am I here then?
Well, that's what I'm trying to work out. Why are you here?
That's it. You're rude.
And
Yeah,
the
boss.
person with the most points there was Dee. She always wins because Lee is her bitch. So.
You're the ugliest.
Oh.
Girls rule, boys draw. Don't be stupid. I have to cut that out now. So that's still the gardens up there. These are all the summer huts that people rent out for the summer. I really want one.
They're not actually
He won't
that
let me
much.
have one.
They're not actually that much for a year.
We've tried to get onto a waiting list. We were on a waiting list. I think it was like 8 years before we could get one. And it was £800 for the whole summer.
Yeah.
But I really want one. I really, really want one. And I would have one in Preston probably because that's closer. I would love one down here, but I'd have to get here, which actually is only 5 minutes. But
Still more effort than Preston.
Preston is just around the corner.
You can edit
It's
all
more
this.
likely if I said to Bailey, oh, do you want to go? The paddle boards are at Preston, he would go. Whereas if I said they're at Goodrington, it'd be a bit more of a, oh, I can't be bothered.
Yeah.
It's a bit grey outside. We had a really horrible thunderstorm yesterday. It wasn't a thunderstorm, it was just really bad weather. But it was like a storm. It was a rainstorm. It was a rainstorm with no thunder. So the sea is really, it's clear actually, it's quite clear, you can see through, but it's very grey. Sky looks blue on here, but it's actually black, very grey. And there's my miserable son coming forward, throwing things at me. He's very kind.
Hey, everyone comes here and gets drunk.
Huh?
Everyone comes here to get drunk.
Everyone's here getting drunk, and he's upset.
We were meant to come here for an after party at prom, but we couldn't.
Why is that?
Like around
Everyone's getting their wetsuits on, everyone's having a drink.
I think we should register for one of these and give it like
this is
10
what they
years.
do in the world. Cute.
Oh, like I said, it was just around the corner. There's a lot of dogs.
There's loads of dogs down here.
Dog fest.
It's dog heaven.
Oh, the dogs are
They're
allowed on
allowed
that
to go
beach, aren't
on
they?
that bit. Dogs are allowed, as you can see, they're all running around over there, but they're not allowed to go on the other side, which we didn't know that last week, and we took Bruno over there. We had a few looks, but Lee quickly got him off. Yeah, we would have been one of those on there. Come on, Oz! Oh, he looks like he's ready for a storm. Everyone's getting into their wetsuits and summer clothes, and Ollie looks like he's ready for a storm to hit. That's me ringing.
That'll be one of her children.
It is actually.
Yeah.
Hello? All right. Hello? Don't. No answer. So over there is a play area for the children, and there's a really nice restaurant called Cantina just over there. In fact, I'll walk down there. I'm going to walk down there. Over there, this is like the big green. There's a restaurant there, really, really nice food in there. And here is a play area. Probably doesn't look good.
He looks like a dodgy person putting the camera over into the park.
My little followers.
You know it can hear me when I'm talking.
You can hear me.
I can talk and it goes into there, even though I'm back here.
Oh, he's being horrible then. But he doesn't talk, you see, people. I talk, he doesn't talk. So mostly in all these vlogs that you're going to hear me talking because he doesn't like to talk.
What's
And when he
that?
does talk, he's rude.
What's that, Dee?
I love him, but he's rude. He's not very...
What's that over there?
What?
What's that over there?
Cantina. I've already told them.
Huh?
Cantina restaurant.
Okay.
Is it nice in there?
Really lovely food.
Is it?
You want to try the halloumi? Oh,
Can we go to the park?
We'll have to go there.
Can we go to that park?
go in for 5 minutes if you want. Give me a drink.
Are you going to go
Happy
in there?
pens.
Are you going to go in there?
Oh, actually, dear, I got some footage when I went the other day
Go.
Where's my train?
on the drone.
In my bag. You've got your boots on. You're all right.
No, I'm gonna
I'll have to sit down there. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Oh, let me just tell you. This here is obviously the green to Goodrington. He just wants to go in the park for 2 minutes. Is that all right? We can sit on the grass though. We'll sit on the grass. We'll come here. I think they've got a band playing. Should we go in and have a look?
Dear, you might as well pause it.
Back to it, guys. Premier Inn down there, so you can stop off for a cheeky pint on your little coastal walk.
In on the green's next to it. No, not in on the green. What's in on the quay? Is that what it's called?
In on the quay, yeah. Well, it's Brewers Fair, isn't it?
Yeah. That's where me and Bailey had our first date.
Oh.
I know. I called in sick to work. It's fine there, I don't work there anymore, so that can go on YouTube.
But he used to work there. He used to work there as a chef.
That was probably one of the nicest days I've had with Bailey, our first date.
Because he's trying to impress you. After that, he sealed the deal and bagged the goods.
That's what he said. Says, I've already caught the fish, so what's the point in giving it more bait or whatever he says.
It's got to be freezing in there.
I know. Crazy kids. It's not even warm. It's not cold. Like, you could go out in a jumper, but it is freezing to go in the sea. There is no sun, literally. There is no sun. Look.
And it's so cold down by the sea.
It's more grey. There's more grey in the clouds than I've seen on the wall at home in the bloody dining room. You're in your trainers now, buddy. You want to walk? Go on then. Go. You're not going in the sea. You can walk down there though. And this is where Oliver starts to play up and does what he wants to do. There he is. Oh, he's playing with some sand. Then he'll throw it, probably at somebody. At us. Don't be naughty. Stop it. Oh, women using a whistle to control their dogs. Never seen that work before, but it just
I'll do
did.
2 chocolate labs. That's what I want.
You fall over. You fall in there.
2 chocolate labs.
Yeah, that's what Lee wants also. Not only does he want a dachshund sausagey dog, he wants 2 chocolate Labradors.
Mum, watch that.
So I would say we should go to the pub. Maybe. Brewers Fair.
Hello, lad.
Brewers Fair is always a good place to go. Really rubbish weather. And it's June as well. We went to Exmouth yesterday. Got there and it was thunderstorms. We lasted 15 minutes in town. Seaweed. 15 minutes in Exmouth and we decided to drive the hour back home. I remember being a kid coming here. Got me this camera. I remember being a kid coming here.
Mum, I'm the club.
Oliver,
Yeah?
have you heard about the ghost that's seen wandering down there?
No.
I'll show you. So, see these beach huts?
Yeah.
All the way to the end, you see that little building at the end of it?
No. What there?
We'll go up further and you'll see there's like a wall around it, like a circle. Yeah? See it?
Yeah.
What?
Right there.
Oh my God, it is open as well.
Right there.
Yep, see that building at the end there? It's like a little hut, like a coffee place.
Right.
At the end of the, follow the beach huts and then you'll get to the round bit, yeah? Well, years ago, nuns used to take care of the wounded soldiers from World War II.
I know what they use it. I know what they use. Anti-something moss to heal their wounds before they can get into a real doctor.
Wow, okay. Well, it was classed as a hospital. The building was obviously a bit bigger back then. And every now and then you'll see helicopters searching for somebody who's fallen in the water and they think it's the nun looking out to see if any of the soldiers are coming back.
Oh no.
And lots of people have reported that they've seen the nun wandering around the wall and then she's gone and they think she's fallen in the water, hence the helicopters being called to search. Yeah. To get her yeah. We used to live on Penwell Way, which overlooks all of this. Penwell Way is literally just up there. Yeah, it's the road, the big road up there.
Have you seen it before?
I've seen helicopters. We had a balcony, so we could see the whole of all of this. We would, yeah, you go, girl. Oliver, Oliver, stop throwing stones. There are people around. Yeah, but somebody could have been at the bottom.
Never heard of that before. I
Yeah.
didn't even know that was a
I
thing.
wonder if you can look it up. It'd probably be on a Google story somewhere, like Google ghost stories. I'm just going to wait here so Lee can see me. Ollie's getting an ice cream. What flavour are you getting?
Mint chocolate.
Oh, it's awful.
I only opened it today. Can you go and get me a bottle of water, please?
Oh, look.
Yeah.
Someone in there.
Nice.
Mum, is that non-story true? Can you search it up?
Oh, I'll have a look, yeah. Hello. Can we get a
Mint chocolate.
mint chocolate? Can I get a chocolate flake with it as well? A single one, yeah. Have you got like different types of cones, or is it just a standard cone? Which one?
Cone.
That's what he wants.
Wait, I said waffle cone. Waffle cone. I like waffles.
No, you like spending money.
$3.90 then, please.
You want a chocolate flake as well?
Yeah.
Why always mint chocolate chip? Why don't you go and venture out with a different flavour? No?
What's a lemon sorbet?
Lemon sorbets, like a palate cleanser, and that's, oh, that looks really good actually.
It looks like inside of a bounty, the chocolate. Look, it does look like it's like an inside of a.
Thank you, darling.
That is massive.
Can I get a picture? You better be careful of the seagulls, because I tell you now, they'll be fast things to come out and get you.
I've not had any mint chocolate chip in ages.
Come on then, buddy. Let's go find your dad and Macy.
Costa.
Thank you. Felt like the Coke was bubbling in my belly. That's the wrong... No, that was Pepsi. You're right, yeah.
Right.
Oh, here she is.
Absolutely gorgeous. I was going to get a hot drink and I thought, no, I can't resist.
What does it taste like?
You watch the seagulls with your ice cream because they won't hesitate. Trust me, they'll attack you. Oh, look, Reach Outdoors is there. I didn't know that. There you go. Told ya. Told ya. What did I tell you? Right, don't chuck it. Don't chuck it.
No.
Ollie, it's... Oh! Did you kick it?
I got it.
Did it hit you?
Let's
Where
go
did it
another
get
one.
you? Your ear. Show me.
They took a passy out of my hand once.
They landed on Dad's head and
They
ripped his
took
passy out.
they took all four of my Greg's cheese bites once. So,
Are you promoting it there?
no.
They haven't cut your ear. You just
Ollie, it would have been its wing hitting your ear.
flapped, caught your ear. Oh, Dad kicked it, popped himself. Oh, pooed himself. Pooed, sorry. Just enjoy your ice cream.
No, I don't even have any left.
Well, you've got ice
What are
cream.
you talking about?
Listen, that cost me £3 now. Hold on. War wound.
He flapped on his ear, so that was his ear killed.
Well, that's all he's got. We're going to get another one, aren't we? Cheer up.
Ollie, that's going up on your birthday.
So that was fun. Oliver
Let's have a
decided
look.
that he would get attacked. What is it?
Mum, this is what I wanted to do in the bird's neck. Scratch it.
You can't be.
Look. Macy, it's a bit of it.
Are you not going to eat
Look,
that?
look.
Oliver, if you're not going to eat that, put it in the bin.
Yeah, Ollie, they will.
That serves you right for constantly wanting something.
Actually, I
You couldn't
offered.
come out here and spend
No,
nothing.
that was me. That was me that time, Lee. I asked him if he'd like an ice cream while we were waiting for Macy to get her drink.
Your mum's
Oh, it was Macy's fault then. Well done, Macy.
No, it's Dee's fault. She offered you ice
Yeah,
cream.
Macy, well done.
He never asked. I asked him if he wanted one. I wish I hadn't now. Fucking hell. Cost me £4 to watch the seagull attack the sun. Don't cross.
At least the seagull's well fed.
Literally, we're just talking about seagulls attacking you and then out of nowhere.
I know.
That I tell you, the seagull that attacked you then was the one you chased. You were like, "Gah." It's come back going, right, mates, let's go. I'm getting my mates with me.
Yeah, it's all right. Let me up and get you.
I brought my band with me.
It was like, I didn't even like mint chocolate. Reasonable.
Yeah, I'm breaking your wafer.
Well, there you go.
That was
That's what happens when you buy an ice cream in Paignton.
Did it, you
That
literally,
was so good.
he's just been attacked by a seagull. So they're probably coming back to just shit on him.
You get attacked.
That's what you get. Yeah, that's it. He's got his band together.
Got its gang.
Yeah, the bird boys. 3 drains.
Right.
Why was you going to do that?
So we're just going to start walking back now.
Don't. You don't need to. Was you purposely going to stand on 3 drains then?
Ollie, I can't believe that should happen to you. Although I feel really bad for you, and I'm so
It's made a conversation though. But poop.
Have you ever been attacked by a seagull before, Oliver?
Dad's talking to you.
What?
Have you ever been attacked by a seagull before?
Never?
Never.
You've never?
No, have
I have,
you
have you?
ever?
Yeah.
You've been attacked before? Dad's
Yeah,
talking
apart
to
from
you.
now, have you ever been attacked?
Look, he's recording you. He's talking to you.
No.
Huh?
You've never been attacked by a seagull, have you?
I have.
So why was you acting like that then?
Attacked by what?
No, before that.
Look, I barely even got any there.
Before that, have you ever been attacked by a seagull before your incident today?
I don't even watch.
No, you've never been attacked.
Wow. It's open air. Open sea. You can't even save it. I've lost my weekend.
The thing is when it happens to you, you're fuming. When you watch it happen to someone,
You just laughed the whole time, Macy.
She ran off and left him.
Oh,
The seagull went and got his buddies, Lee. There was like 6 behind us.
nothing funnier than watching it happen. When it happens to you, it's the scariest thing in the world.
He was stood like this. Ah, ah! Ice cream up in the air and I grabbed it and then next minute he's gone like that.
you can tell which one's yours,
Here
Dee.
it
It's
is.
a loud one.
Have you got any ice cream there?
Explain what happened.
A seagull was walking near me while I was eating my ice cream. And then it came down with its gang and started attacking me. I've barely got any left.
What did it hurt?
My ear.
Show.
Top.
So, if you want to go to Goodrington, great place to go to. Do not buy an ice cream. Do not buy an ice cream and walk freely. Even though he had his hand covering the ice cream. They don't care. They're gonna get the ice cream.
And don't forget.
We're now walking back the roadway.
Dad kicked it.
The seagull.
Dad was like, oh, get away!
No, I think he was trying to tell them off for hurting you.
And then
Macy,
he was like, oh, I'm sorry!
in the event of ever needing help, do not, I repeat, rely on her. She was gone. Bailey, if you ever see this vlog, your girlfriend is not somebody you can rely on in a case of an emergency. Your poor brother
Bailey, you
nearly
need to get
died.
a new one.
Oh, they're just shit in the road. There's seagulls everywhere. She ain't going nowhere.
Bailey, get a new goal.
Listen.
Might be picking up on the cars. Even I can't hear a bird.
Been hearing it like. Oh, it's a blackbird. Was that it?
Lee's got an app on his phone where it can
Thought it was gonna be
distinguish
something
what birds are
exotic.
making the noises, so we can see what birds are around us, if you like that. Ollie and Mace are in front, guessing all the badges of the cars. So we've just walked to Goodrington. We've done the coastal way. Actually, a bit nicer than... I don't know, did you prefer that way or did you like the other way better?
That one was alright, wasn't it? It's better than the other time.
He doesn't like talking.
This is the car that I was talking
No.
about. That was the car that I'm talking about.
Oh, Chevrolet.
Chevrolet.
We used to have one. American cars they are, really lovely. Beautiful drive.
Are we
My
going straight
favourite
up?
car was Chevrolet. Yeah, we can do. We can go this way if you want. Don't need to go in town, do we?
Yeah, we do actually.
Walk up then.
My legs hurt.
Did you prefer that way, or did you prefer the way that we went before?
That way.
Oh,
The way we just done.
you liked that way.
You went, what's that one? A Suzuki?
It's actually quicker. It felt quicker to get there. It's actually not that far from our house to go to Goodrington. Walking home, we go the longer way, so it seems like we're going a lot longer. So if you were to walk to Goodrington from our house, it would feel like you're walking
Or would you hear it?
a long way. But to be fair, when you're walking to the harbour, then you're really literally right near Goodrington, which is shocking how close Goodrington and the Paignton seafront are
It's not a bad
to
walk,
each other.
is it? That one.
No.
You think it'll be a lot further?
Steam train comes down here.
Is it there?
It goes this way, doesn't it? Towards Goodrington. Coming from Paignton bus station, which is there. I was just gonna do like a summary of our walk. He's watching me on his phone. He doesn't like talking, I don't think. I think he gets a little bit camera shy. That's why he's run off in front, you see, and he's not talking to me right here. I'm trying to do a summary of our walk to Goodrington, and he's walked off. There he is. And he's running off now, so now I look like an idiot walking through town. Walking through town on the phone, on the camera, while he's on the phone, talking by himself, and I'm talking by myself. So anyway,
Ollie.
I'll just do the summary by myself.
Shut up.
So, we've just walked to Goodrington. I know that Lee's going to edit the video and take out all the rubbish bits so that you guys can see the more interesting factors of Goodrington. If you ever come down to Paignton, Goodrington is definitely somewhere you should visit. You want to look at the steam train, the rails that I've just showed you. You want to look at that because there's not many steam trains about anymore, and a steam train goes through Goodrington regularly. We're walking a long way home. No scenic view at all. We decided to walk back, and Oliver got attacked by a seagull. Got a little bit moody, it's his thing, but he's out of that now. What are we going to do when we get home?
Oh, that's a scupper.
That's a quarter.
Have a sleep. Maybe. Yeah, have a sleep. No, we're gonna.
What's that one?
Oh, we've missed town.
That's
No, we can go
Go up to Victoria Road.
Discovery 2 Eden.
Oh,
The second
Victoria.
Queen's Road.
Queen's Road. Queen's
Yeah?
Road, not Victoria Road, but you can say Queen's Victoria Road. There is a pub
Lovely.
with 3 drains.
What? What?
This is the rugby pitch. This is our rugby club.
Where they always lose.
They do.
Come on.
That is a Aldi. Stan. And one's easy. And then one's easy. Oh, that's a Neon.
So that's the end of our coastal walk to Goodrington. It's not the greatest, as this was our first one and mainly me rambling on about not a lot. The editing is a little rough, so please bear with us. But as it goes on, it will get better. Please like and subscribe to our channel and watch out for the next one.